Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google Cloud SSH keys for Compute Engine Access. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download Google Cloud SSH keys for Compute Engine Access, start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google Cloud console. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already done so. Once logged in, locate and click on the Compute Engine option in the left-hand navigation menu. If prompted, enable the Compute Engine API. Wait for the Compute Engine dashboard to load completely. Find the instance for which you want to download SSH keys. Click on the instance name to open its details page. On the instance details page, scroll down to the Remote Access section. To generate a new SSH key, click on the Set Windows Password or Add SSH Keys option as needed. A window pop-up will appear. If you're generating a new key, click on Generate SSH Key. The system will create the key pair automatically. Make sure to save the generated private key to a secure location on your computer. For existing SSH keys, you can find them displayed in the SSH Keys section. Select the key you wish to download. Copy the public key portion or, if available, use the download option. Once you have the SSH keys, ensure that your local SSH client settings are updated. Open your terminal or SSH client software. Use the following command to set the correct permissions for your downloaded private key. Type chmod 600/path to your private key and replace the path as per your file location. Now, you can connect to your Compute Engine instance using the command sshi/path to your private key username at external IP address. Replace username with your Google Cloud username and external IP address with your Compute Engine instance's external IP. You should now have secure access to your Compute Engine instance using your SSH key. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.